To make this rugby sports card template in Canva, I will be using social media, and then I will be using Instagram post 4:5 format for this design. Now to make this design, first we will be needing a stadium background, and for this I will be using this design which says Bright Stadium Arena Lights at Night. Okay, so I will click on it and I click it to set image as background. So our design here is ready for the background. Now we will work on the other parts. We will start with text here and click on add heading here, write 2025. As we want to make this card for 2025, so first I am using it, and the font will be Yearbook Solid. Okay, this one, and the placement will be in here. And now we will be writing the position of the player, and for that I am using shape. We can come to shapes, click on see all, and scroll down to find this one. Okay, just bring it right here and just make it bigger. Just place it here, and now we will use the main character of the player. So for that I will go to uploads and I will use this image which I have generated with Canva AI, and you can also design the same if you want. I will share the prompt and you can just design it for you, but make sure that the prompt which I will share, it will generate different type of images. So if you want to make a similar image, you need to tweak the prompt a little bit and work on it, so you will get similar types. Now let's make it bigger, and BG remover, and as you can see the background is removed. So I will just make it bigger like this. Okay, keep it like this, and after that I will change the ribbon color to this golden stripes. So I will choose the color using the dropper tool, and I will choose this golden color. So for the position I will go to here, I click on add a heading, and here I will write position. Number 8 will be the position. Okay, and after that just make the size to 48 and just bring it here. Okay, and change the color here to this blue color. So I will choose again this blue color using the dropper tool. Okay, so I have made this. Now I will make the size of the ribbon smaller. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is set. Now I will work on the other parts, which is I will add another shape from here, which is this one, and I will just place it here, make it bigger and shift it here, and I will change the ribbon color to this blue color. Okay, and use another layer, which is I will change it to golden color, and use another time and just keep it here, and this one I will just right click it, go to layer, send backward. Okay, and just select it here and move it slightly down like this. Okay, select both the layers and move it slightly up, and now bring this one, make it smaller, and just place it right here. Select all of them and just move it a little bit like this. Okay, and after that I will just click on text, and I will use a imaginary name for the player, and for that I will click on add a heading, and first I will write Victor. Okay, and I will just bring it here, and I will change the font to Archivo Black. Okay, and the size will be 75. Okay, and I will just place it here, and after that I will use the surname here. For that I will write here Deloren, and I will just place it here, and for the font I will use here Handsome. Okay, and I will just bring it here and shift it a little bit. And after that, here I will click on add a heading again and add the jersey number, which is I am using an imaginary number, which is hashtag 55. Okay, and I will change it the font to Bebas Noy, and in here bold. Okay, and I will just bring it right here. And keep it like this. Okay, and after that, for this writing I will, for the sport writing I will use the same font, so I am bringing the Victor one, and here I am writing rugby. And for this, change the font color to this blue color and change the font size to 48. Okay, and just middle it and place it here. Okay, so this one is set for the writing, and now we will use, click on add a heading, and now we will add the team name, which I am using a team name of Titans, and now I will write. Okay, and after that I will shift it here and click on this line spacing and make it smaller as possible. Okay, and I will just bring it here and change the font to Archivo Black. Okay, and bring it right here, and after that go to FX, go to Hollow and use this one. So this one is set. Now I will just work on this main character, which is, I will go to edit, and after that scroll down to find shadows and click a glow outline, use it to 25 and the intensity to be 70 and the color to be white. So our outline is ready. Now we will make some edit with some adjustments. So I will go to adjust, increase slightly the brightness, the highlights, the whites, and slightly work on the blacks. Okay, so now the character is ready. Now I will just make the character bigger and use it like this. So our custom player card is ready, and you can use it by editing just the design of the character, and just the names you can just change and work it accordingly. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.